Starting off strong, the magnificent peacock. With its dazzling blue and green feathers, this bird is nature's own fireworks display. The male fans out its tail in a hypnotic dance to attract a mate. Wouldn't you be mesmerized too? Next up, the Scarlet Macaw, a living rainbow with its bright red, yellow, and blue feathers. This parrot is a symbol of the Amazon rainforest. Highly intelligent and social, macaws can even mimic human speech. If elegance had a name, it would be the Mandarin Duck. With its perfect blend of orange, blue, and gold, it looks like a painting come to life. Found in East Asia, these ducks are a symbol of love and fidelity. The Resplendent Quetzal, a bird so beautiful that ancient Mayans considered it sacred. Its shimmering green feathers and flowing tail make it one of the most exotic birds on Earth, truly a legend in the sky. Meet the Wilson's bird of paradise, a tiny wonder from Indonesia. With a bright red body, neon blue head, and a dance that could rival any pop star, this bird is truly one of nature's masterpieces. The clown of the sea, the Atlantic puffin. With its adorable, colorful beak and playful nature, this seabird is an absolute delight. Don't be fooled by its cute looks. Puffins are expert divers, catching fish with incredible speed. A pigeon. Yes, but not just any pigeon. This is the Victoria crowned pigeon. Native to New Guinea, this royal-looking bird sports a stunning blue crest and deep red eyes, making it one of the most striking pigeons in the world. Ever seen a bird with a rainbow for a beak? That's the Keel-billed Toucan. Found in Central and South America, this tropical beauty is as playful as it is stunning. Its massive beak may look heavy, but it's surprisingly light and perfect for snatching up fruits. Imagine a bird dipped in gold. The golden pheasant, with its fiery red and golden yellow feathers, looks like royalty walking through the woods. Found in China, this bird is a true symbol of beauty and grace. Last but not least, the rare and exquisite Bali Myna. Pure white with piercing blue eyes, this bird is a living jewel. Sadly, it is critically endangered, making its beauty even more precious. A true treasure of the wild. And there you have it, the 10 most beautiful birds in the world. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing wildlife videos. See you next time.